Welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about the Vanilla Visa eGift cards. And more specifically, I'm going to show you how to buy a Vanilla Visa eGift card online. So that way you can buy things online and also over the phone with these. So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, if you're not familiar with these cards, they're definitely one of the more popular gift card companies on the market right now. And basically all it is, you just buy these little gift cards on their website. Once you've paid for it, then they'll email the gift card to you. Once you have that in your possession, you can print it out and then just use it online or over the phone. These are completely separate than the physical gift cards you buy at stores like Target. But how do you buy these? Well, it's pretty easy. First off, you want to go up to this website here at the top, vanillagift.com. Check my video description. I'll try to quick referral link there. Once you're here, then you want to look down here towards the middle on this section. It says buy eGift cards. That's where you want to go. I'm going to click there now. All right, so once you're here, it's going to bring you to this menu and you can choose different types of Vanilla Visa eGift cards with a lot of different styles and colors. For me, it doesn't really make a difference just because I'm using this one to pay for things online. If you are sending this out as a gift, you choose a different font or a different color, especially for holidays. This one is here because it's coming up on Easter. But I'm going to go ahead and choose the silver one right here. Once you've chosen a card, you can choose to have a plastic card mailed. That's going to take a while though. So if you don't really care about the card inside of a store, you want to choose eGift card, which is what we're working on today. Once you've chosen that, then you want to go ahead and choose the amount. The minimum for a Vanilla Visa eGift card is $10. However, you can go ahead and send anywhere between $10 and $500. So you can choose right here from the menu. But if you're going to send something between, say, $15, there's no option for $15. So you can choose right here on other amount and then just type in 15 if you'd like. For me, I'm just going to use the $10. Next, if you look a little bit further, you can see that it is a $2.95 fee for each card that you purchase. And then if you look a little bit further, you can go ahead and choose how many cards you would like to buy. For me, I'm just buying one. Next, you want to go ahead and put in the email of the person who's going to be receiving the card. I'm going to go ahead and enter an email. Okay, so I went ahead and entered in an email. Next, I'm going to click this Buy Now button to click there now. All right, so here is the order screen right here. So here on the order screen, you can look over here and see how much is going to be on the card, plus the additional fees. And then you're going to see the order total. So for this one, it's going to be $12.05. Next, you want to go ahead and enter your email address. This is required in order for you to purchase a Vanilla Visa eGift card. You also need to enter a phone number. Now, if you scroll down a little bit further, you can go ahead and enter the person's name you're going to be sending it to. Also, you can put in your name, who it's from, but these are optional. Also, lastly, you can go ahead and put in a gift message like. You can put happy birthday or happy holidays. Or if you're paying for something, you can go ahead and put a note about what you're paying for. Once you've entered all that information, you can go ahead and click this line called Continue Payment. I'm going to click there now. All right, so once you've entered all that information, this is the credit or debit card information screen. This is how you're going to pay for your Vanilla Visa card. So you need to enter the card number, security number, expiration date, along with the billing address associated with that Visa, debit card, or credit card that you're going to be using. Now, I do want to let you know you can use a credit card in order to purchase a Vanilla Visa eGift card. I've done it quite a few times. It does not need to be a debit card. So I'm going to go ahead and enter all that information in off screen now. All right, so I went ahead and entered in all of that information. Next, you want to click this place order button right here. I'm going to click there now. All right, so I went ahead and switched over to my email, and this is the email that Vanilla Gift Card sends for the Vanilla eGift cards. So you get this confirmation screen right here confirming that you have the card. Let me scroll down a little bit. All right, so as you can see here, I've scrolled down and then you'll see an image of the card. For some reason, my phone is blocking the image. Once you're here, you can go ahead and click right here to view and print this card. And just as a quick note, just to confirm to you that on these Vanilla Visa eGift cards, you can only use them online or over the phone. You can't print them out and use them at the store. It just doesn't work that way. But there you go. There you have it. That is how you can buy a Vanilla Visa eGift card on the internet. If you happen to know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. But hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel. And I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.